What's up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I want to take a look at something interesting that was sent to me. So this was sent to me by a company called GGMM. And at first glance you might recognize that this is the Amazon Echo Show 5. And upon further inspection you may be wondering what this is. So this is actually the ES5 battery base. And what this is a portable battery to make your Echo Show 5 portable. So as you may know, the Echo Show 5 has a 5-inch display, has a large speaker, traditionally it might be used as an alarm clock, or you might be used in an office, wherever you may have it, and it offers all the cool things that Amazon Echoes do. So you can play music on it, you can play movies on it, you can do all kinds of stuff with it, as well as using it as a clock. But it usually sits and stays in one spot, right? Well, this actually makes this portable, so if you want to bring it around your house, use it as a speaker, use it for movies, whatever you want to use it for, you can use it wherever in your house. So obviously the Echo Show needs to have Wi-Fi or internet connection, so you can't go too far with it. But this is kind of an interesting concept. So it uses the magnetic attachment on the bottom of the Echo Show 5, so you may know that the Echo Show 5 actually offers a stand which swivels, and that attaches magnetically to the Echo Show 5, so that's how this works. Now this is a 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery for this, and it runs on Amazon right now for $39.99. It looks like they offer a 20% coupon on it currently, so this just came out. Pretty cool. So obviously this is just the battery base. It does not include the Echo Show 5, so you have to buy that on your own, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at this right now. Alright, so just taking a quick look at our packaging here. So we have their logo and branding there. We have a photo of the Echo Show 5 with the battery base attached. On the front here we do get another view of that. So as you can see here, you have the battery base and the Echo Show 5. It shows you what's included here. So you have the battery base, the magnetic mount, as well as the power cord right there. On the back here, it does tell you what it is here. So it's a battery base with stand for Echo Show 5, open design without affecting the sound, USB output, easy to carry, built-in stable performance lithium battery, plug and play, set your Echo Show 5 from the cable. And then our model number, of course, is ES5. This is the black version. And then we have a product weight of 310 grams and a package size of 135 by 90 by 60 millimeters. On the opposite side, we have some more information about the manufacturer and all their information there, as well as our regulatory information right there. So let's go ahead and cut this open and take a look. Handy dandy knife coming in handy. See what we get inside the box here. So right up top here, we get our setup guide right there, and then we get the battery base itself. So pretty cool there. Here is the device itself, so that's kind of chunky. Taking a quick look at our setup guide here, it does come in various languages here. Pretty simple. We get a photo of the battery base itself. Here we get an introduction to the product here. So you do have the DC output plug to plug into the actual device itself. Our power button, it says long press for 2 seconds to power on, long press for 1 second to power off, and then we have our LED indicators for our battery here. I'll give you some information there. On the back of the device, you do have a USB output jack, so you can actually charge another device with it, and then you have a DC input for the actual power to the battery base itself, as well as our power cord to the Echo Show 5. It shows you how to attach the Echo Show 5 to the battery base, as well as how to plug it in there. And then it tells you how to turn it on here again. So 2 seconds to turn on, wait for the Echo Show 5 to turn on, and then you can adjust the angle of the device or of the Echo Show 5 to your viewing needs. We have our product specifications. So again, this is 10,000 milliamp hours, so pretty beefy there. We have our input and output information. Charging time for the battery base is 6 hours. Playtime at 8 hours. Under 100% volume, 9.5 hours under 50% volume, and standby time at 11 hours when the Echo Show 5 is turned on without playing or paused. And then we have some frequently asked questions, and then we have some safety warnings here, and that's about it for our setup guide. So as you can see here, we do have the base here with the magnets right there. On the front of the device, we do have the 4 LEDs right there for the battery indicator, as well as a power button right there. On the side, nothing. On the back, we have the actual plug that goes into the Echo Show 5. We have the USB out, so it's 5 volts, 2.1 amps. And then we have a DC in of 12 volts, 1.25 amps, and that is to charge the battery base itself. So there we go. On this side, nothing. And let's go ahead and get the Echo Show 5 and take a look. All right, so here is my Amazon Echo Show 5. So this one I actually got for Christmas, and I actually did get the base here. So it is magnetic, pops off just like that. And then if we want to attach our Echo Show 5 to the battery base, it is also magnetic. So we have the base here, and then we have our cover right there. And as you can see, fits just fine right there, magnetic. And this is how it looks on the base here. And as they said, you can angle this. So it is just like the actual Echo Show 5 stand, just a little bit taller because we have that added base right there for the battery. All right, so we'll just turn on the device here. So it just says to hold for 2 seconds. And we have our LEDs for our battery indicator, and then the Echo Show 5 should start right up. All right, and here it is all booted up here. So my Echo Show has already been set up, obviously. I've been using it for a long time now, since December. And we have it all booted up here. It is completely wireless, which is pretty crazy. So this is not connected to any power whatsoever. And this looks pretty good. So my only gripe so far would have to be the LEDs staying lit on the front here. Because at night when you actually have your Echo Show 5 on, it does turn to a black screen with just the numbers on there in red. So it's really subtle. So hopefully the LEDs on the front here aren't too bright. I kind of wish that they would turn off after a little while. So here we are in the living room. We are completely disconnected from everything. We just have the battery base connected here. So we'll try it out. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the fish study so hard? So he didn't have to drop out of school.
Now, of course, depending on your Wi-Fi, will depend on if this would work outside, but I'm on my back porch, so I figured I'd go ahead and bring it out here and just show you. Yeah, it is completely wireless, pretty cool. One thing I had to do is I used electrical tape on the front to cover the LEDs because they were too bright at night. So that is my only gripe with this so far. But we'll go ahead and try this out and I'll show you that it works outside. Alexa, how's the weather right now?
In Jacksonville, it's 83 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds with a high of 86 degrees and a low of 73 degrees.
So pretty cool. So you can definitely use this outside as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. And as I mentioned before, it does have a USB port on the back here. So I do have that connected here to the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And what's really cool is you can charge your phone as well as use your Echo Show 5 wirelessly. All right, so there you have it. This has been an unboxing and quick look at the ES5 battery base for the Echo Show 5 from GGMM. This is quite an interesting concept, and I think it could come in handy in various situations. So if, say, for instance, you use your Echo Show for music or for watching TV shows and that kind of thing, and you want to bring this somewhere else in your house without having to bring the cord with you, you can do that. If you want to entertain guests and use it for music, you can do that. It's pretty cool. Has quite a long battery life on it. It's also nice to use by your bed. So say, for instance, you are worried about the power going out and your alarm being missed. You have this right next to your bed. You have a battery backup there. You can also use it to charge your phone. So if you don't want to have two things plugged in, you can just have your one plug for your Echo Show 5, the battery base, and for your phone. That's pretty cool. So this does have a couple of interesting use cases, and I think this is actually a quite interesting device. So again, this is available on Amazon for $39.99. They do have 20% off right now as of filming. So today's date is September 20th, 2020. So definitely check that out if you are interested in this. Really, really cool device. And thank you to GGMM for sending this out to me to review for you guys. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video on the ES5 battery base. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.